Today we're looking at the AiXun solder station, which we've recently begun stocking at iParts for you. We'll be looking at the budget-conscious soldering station and comparing it to a higher-priced JBC station to see how it compares. Before we talk about the specs, let's talk about the price. The station currently retails at £169.95, including VAT, so it's aimed at a market that is very budget-conscious. It also comes with 3 different soldering tips as standard. We're going to be looking at whether AiXun has cut any corners to meet this sub-£200 price point. The station design and ergonomics are very impressive. AiXun have not only created a station with a sleek design that looks great on any workbench, but they've also fitted it into a compact and lightweight build. As well as it being lightweight, it also has the added bonus of being more portable due to the detachable handle. We decided to compare it to the JBC CD2 soldering station, which retails at £366 including VAT. We found that the AiXun was actually quicker to heat the soldering iron than the JBC, with the JBC taking 4 seconds longer to reach 380 degrees Celsius. However, when it came to cooling down, we did notice the AiXun took an extra 60 seconds to reach 20 degrees Celsius compared to the JBC. However, we'd be happy with this time considering the price point. The AiXun station itself weighs only 1.2 kilograms, which is much lighter compared to the JBC, which weighs more than double the AiXun at 2.5 kilograms. The soldering iron handle comes with 5 holders for your soldering tips and has a handy function for applying and removing the tips without having to use your hands and risk a burn. There's also the added benefit of the soldering tips that fit the AiXun being 50% cheaper than the tips that fit the JBC, and we find the quality is just as good. We also found that when compared to the JBC, the thermal response was just as good on the AiXun. Our last test was seeing how quickly each soldering tip was able to melt solder wire when turned on at the same time. Again, the AiXun was significantly quicker, which was something we were very impressed with. However, we did notice the JBC took around 4 seconds longer to boot up, which would have been a factor with this test. In conclusion, the AiXun station is a surprisingly impressive soldering station, considering the price point of only £169.95. The AiXun performs incredibly well and will be worth any repairer purchasing regardless of whether they're looking for a budget-friendly option. If you want to order one, you can find a link in the description, and if you have any other questions, let us know in the comments below.